Now I've made certain changes. First, let me print some log, the bundle at the console. So here is it. Please wait. Yeah, this is the log which I have copied. Let me. Now this was the required data which I wanted. Now you can see here the data this is the data which I am sending. This is the data which I am sending. Yeah, this is the data which I was sending. So, but I want my data to be like this. For that, let me delete all this. This is not required. This is before. If I would not have written the script, this was the data which I was sending. But my API requires this type of data. For that, I have written this complete script. So this script will run before it will hit the URL. For that, I have used JSON and made my data like this. So now, how my data is, after scripting this, how my data is coming. For that, let's see here. Yeah, see, this is the data which I am sending now. Now see, yeah, see. So this data matches with this. So my problem matches with this. So my problem is solved. Now I am sending the required request data which I have to send. So now let's see what's the response. For response, let's see bundle logs. Right, see the response is, this is the response, and great, we have got status 200. And let's see, this is the response which I am getting. I'm status 1. Status 1 is I have successfully executed. So, and I have also been returned with an API key. So I have got the API key. I have got status 1. So my API is now completely integrated and working. Now, if in case, suppose I have to show certain error, for that I have written this post write method. Now whenever, if in case if I get status 0, for that I will throw an exception error in pushbase. For that I have written this function. So now my complete API is now working, and this is the complete working of the API. Yes. Thank you.